To step up, simply step in. The QX60 blends luxurious materials, comfort, ergonomics and design to create a cabin that is not only beautiful, but incredibly practical as well. Cargo never had it better. QX60's expansive interior adapts to your needs. The folding second and third rows can arrange for any combination of up to 7 passengers and cargo. Fold them down for a virtually flat surface large enough to accommodate almost anything your journey, or your weekend, requires. 3 rows of the best seats in the house. The spacious interior of the QX60 adjusts to the needs of every passenger. It features abundant legroom across all 3 rows, and a unique second row sliding/tilting seat to provide effortless access to the third row even when a child seat is installed. Keep the kid inside happy. With optional dual 8-inch screens, rear seat passengers can play their own movies or games, even while those up front enjoy music with a new sense of clarity from the available Bose cabin surround. To keep things organized, we designed spaces for the wireless headphones and remote, and storage for the entertainment you bring along.